Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leslie. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Coach to Lululemon to Louis Vuitton. So today I'm going to review this beautiful Joseph Duclos Saint Clair messenger bag right over here. And I'll show what fits inside, and I'm also going to have a lot of mod shots on my blog, which I'll link to the description below. So if you're interested in these types of reviews, please consider subscribing. Okay, here she is. So let's take a look at this close-up of this beautiful navy super soft suede. This is a contrast white hand stitched over here. There's like this shiny little coat of arms for Joseph Duclos. And there's a leather tab here. So the way that this closes is you just pull it down, and then when you want to open it, you just kind of push it up. So this is the locking mechanism. This is the stamped here, Joseph Duclos, and it's made in France. So this contrast stitching is all the way around. There's a tiny little slip pocket here. Oh, I have a receipt. I used this for the first time a couple of days ago, and it's actually very comfortable to carry, but it is a very boxy bag, so there's no give to it. And this is a lovely linen dust bag here. I still have the price tag in here. Take that out. So the inside is completely lined in leather, and there is a hard backing to keep the shape down here and all the way around. So the top flap is also suede on both sides, so that's really nice. The hardware is substantial, and I think it's really cool. I still have the stickers on the hardware. I'm gonna take it off, just not yet. I know I'm Asian that way. We leave like the stickers on everything. So it just has Joseph Duclos in script there. And this stitching on the corner is also done by hand. There's a video of it on their website if you want to take a look. It's actually really cool, and it looks insanely tough to do. So this is like amazing craftsmanship, and the quality is just beautiful. So this bottom does not have feet, but it has like these two strips of leather on the bottom to act like feet, which is nice. The leather is a hard like calf skin, so it is stiff. This is like a travel case that you're carrying, but instead of like having a cover on top, you just have this soft suede flap. And I really kind of love this design. And there's this flap here, so I guess to keep the top from sinking completely in, so there's something here to support it, which is nice, and it does flip up and down. So let's take a look at the strap. So I believe this strap is removable, but because of the hardware is so slim, let me see if I can give you a close-up. It doesn't have much room to have any other strap but this one, but I assume you can remove it if you want to carry it like a clutch. So the strap is very, very thick, kind of like a canvas sort of material. I'm not really sure what it is. It didn't say on the website, but it is pretty comfortable. It's about 1.5 inches wide, so if you want to carry it crossbody, it should be no problem at all for like all day comfort. So that is it for the details of this bag. There is a back pocket here as well, but it's so like not very stretchy. I don't see what it can fit besides maybe some receipts or maybe some money. That's about it for that. I kind of wish that there was some sort of pocket that would be useful, so you can kind of just dump like your phone in there, but this is not the type of bag to do that at all. So I do really, really love this construction. It's like a travel case. It's like a luggage box. It's very, very boxy, and I love it. Give you some quick dimensions. So this is about 8 inches wide. Height is 4 inches and 3/4. So the width is just about 3 inches. So it is a small bag. It's not going to fit a ton, and since it's boxy, it's not going to have a lot of give either. So this is a bag that should just hold your essentials. So I'm going to weigh it for you, and it's about it's 1 pound, 10.6 ounces. So it is kind of a heavy bag there. It's not too light. To give you a size reference, I'm going to show this with a couple of things. This is an iPad 11-inch, and as you can see, it's bigger. The iPad is definitely bigger. So I'm going to show you with this notebook here. It's kind of like a standard Moleskine notebook, and it's just about that size. So, So pretty much the same size. I think the notebook is just slightly bigger there, so that's not even going to fit. So you cannot carry a notebook. This is an iPhone 16, and that's kind of how it looks with it. So that'll fit quite easily. So now we'll take a look to see what fits. Okay, so pull the flap up. Phone will go in easily. And my sunglasses, some chapstick, got my keys, my card case here, and let's see if it'll fit one other thing, my pill box. So all of that fits, and then I have like a little lens wipe, and I'll put that over here. And then like if you have receipts and stuff, you can put that over here. So yeah, so that completely will fit exactly what I need. And it does feel a little bit heavy. So with all those things, I'm gonna weigh it for you, and I'll show you how heavy it can get just with my essentials. So it weighs 2 pounds, 11.9 ounces. So you're talking about almost 3 pounds right here. And it does actually feel pretty heavy. I'm kind of shocked. It's like a little brick. But I will have another thorough review once I've used it for a while, and I'll give you more of an in-depth of how comfortable this actually is to wear. So what I really love about this design, it's very timeless, very classic, and I was told that this kind of leather will patina over time, and the suede, after it gets a little bit worn, it'll develop a sheen or like some kind of a shine to it. So this bag is definitely delicate and needs to be handled with care. So I would not take this bag out in summer humidity because of possible color transfer. The strap is removable, but I would find it hard to find a replacement strap that would fit this type of hardware. So in conclusion, this is a gorgeous bag. It's definitely quiet luxury. There's not a lot of reviews about this specific style. I think people tend to gravitate towards the Diane, but that's more of an elegant bag, and I prefer a casual style of a crossbody messenger. So this is a bag that can be carried by any gender. So I think that's great, and I'm so thrilled to have this bag in my collection. And shout out to my sister who gifted me this bag. She's like the best sister ever. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.